Let's learn about family members. Father. This is my father. Mother. This is my mother. Brother. This is my brother. Sister. This is my sister. Baby. This is me. Uncle. This is my uncle. Aunt. This is my aunt. Cousin brother. This is my cousin brother. Cousin sister. This is my cousin sister. Grandfather. This is my grandfather. Grandmother. This is my grandmother. Parents. These are my parents. Siblings. These are my siblings. Uncle and aunt. These are my uncle and aunt. Cousins. These are my cousins. Grandparents. These are my grandparents. Family. This is my family.